Hi, my name is Josh Ezell. I'm the founder and CEO of Ohana Handyman Group. Over the last 5 years, I booked over 12,000 handyman appointments for about 6,000 customers. And during that time, I realized that the handyman industry is broken from both the handyman and the customer side. Handyman are looking for real jobs. They want to get paid. They want to be able to take care of their families. Customers, they want control and transparency. They're tired of getting ghosted. They want to know how much they're going to pay, and they want to know if the work is going to be carried out with quality and with a warranty. What they're looking for is the customers want to book a real appointment, know how much they're going to pay, set the time, and just know it's going to be carried out stress free. Handyman want to be able to carry out real appointments, claim real appointments, know that they're going to be profitable from hour one, and that as they carry out that appointment, it's gonna go smoothly, and that they're going to get paid at the end. Okay, so that's where Ohana Handyman comes in. It solves the problem where customers can go online, they can book through our phone tool or our website, and they could get an instant quote from our bidding tool that's learning in real time. It's learned from our past 12,000 jobs. The handyman claimed the appointment. They put skin in the game, so the customer knows that once they book the appointment, it's going to be claimed by a vetted handyman who is actually profitable from hour one. So they will show up, and once it's actually claimed, the customer gets the handyman's picture, his bio, all of his info, his ratings, his past jobs, so they know who's coming out, and they can rest comfortably that the appointment is going to be accomplished just as they want. Total, we have a $42 billion TAM with 75 million addressable households. With my background in real estate, we've actually already geared towards homeowners, property managers, landlords, realtors, small businesses, Airbnb, that whole group. We want to be the brand name in the handyman industry. Over the next 5 to 10 years, as we expand to all 31 states, our SOM can easily go $300+ million. Our platform is $85 an hour. The handyman are profitable from hour one. So how it works is that once the customer books an appointment, the handyman pays a $45 claim fee, and then they get to keep 100% of hour one. And then after that, we split 60/40 are the rest of the time of the appointment. We have other ancillary services such as video help that don't have a claim fee, where it's just a 50/50 split, for example, from minute one. And your average call there is about 6 minutes. The customers love it. Our goals are to expand throughout Arizona this year. And we were hoping to start with 10 handyman. We ended up having over 40 sign up. So it's going to be just a brand awareness. Our software is improving daily. We have upgrades coming out every single week. So we want to get at least 100 handyman here in the Phoenix metro area, and then expand to approximately 300 handyman Arizona by the end of the year. And then starting next year, expand through Texas and a few other states, and then just continue the expansion until we're nationwide and the brand name in the handyman industry in America. And the key is there's no shortages of handymen. The problem is our brand awareness right now. We need customers to know we exist and love us. So we're bringing on X amount of handyman, and then we make sure we can feed them and provide them the 6 to 8 appointments per week that they need. And then we bring on more handymen, and then we make sure that we can scale that to make sure we're providing them the work. And that is precisely where our upgrades and our tools are coming in, and our software is getting better. This week alone, we have several repeat customers. Customers love us because they book real appointments. They're in complete control. Handyman love us because they get to claim real appointments and know that they're going to be carried out and paid in full at the end of the appointment, fully profitable. Our team, I'm the CEO founder. Joe is our chief of marketing right now. Hi is our lead developer. And April is our advisor that's helping out with basically almost everything else. Right now, we're raising $300,000 to create 12 months of runway as we finish, as we not finish, we're never going to be finished, but as we continue development and making as we provide these upgrades, such as our PDF uploaded bidding, it's just going to help customers book more appointments, help our average ticket go up. So the majority of it's going for development, followed by marketing, and the rest is towards operations and reserves. We've already done over $17,000 at this point in time. We have over 40 handyman. Our average job is close to 3 hours, and we have repeat customers already. My name is Joshua Ezell. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, I would love to speak with you. My information is below. Have a great day.